Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve a sleek low ponytail on your natural hair. As you can see, my hair is pretty dense right now, so I'm going to start by spraying some water in my hair to keep it moist and manageable for me to do the low bun tutorial on. So I'm going to start by parting my hair into sections. I find it very easy for me when I part my hair into sections to create a more sleek look because my hair is pretty thick, so I try to do my hair in sections to make it easier and more manageable. I will be using Auntie Jackies Flaxseed Don't Shrink Elongating Gel. I really like this gel. It is not too jelly like Eco Styler, but it helps me achieve the look that I'm trying to go for. So after applying the gel, I'm going to grab a hard brush. This is a hard brush. I'm going to use it to brush down my hair, as you can see. Then I'm going to go in with a hairband and just tie the hair up. So I'm going to keep on working in sections until I am done. So for the next section, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat what I did the first time. I'm going to grab my gel, put the gel on the hair, use my hard brush to sleek down the hair to make sure it is sleeked down, and then I'm going to use another band to secure it. Now, see how I don't take out the first band? Because it is a struggle to get my hair to stay put. So I just add another band. It doesn't change anything and it doesn't add anything to it, but it helps me stay stress-free. So for the front, since I wanted to do a side part, I'm going to go ahead and part the side that I want to see. I'm going to spray a little water to make sure my hair stays moisturized. I'm going to apply the gel, and then I'm going to comb it out, brush it out, with a hard brush. Now this brush is so amazing. It really brushes your hair down and sleeks it down. I got this brush from a beauty supply store. You can get it for I think $2 or $3. And there are different types of hard brushes that you could get, but this is the one I felt it wasn't too hard and it wasn't too soft. So as you can see how my hair is really sleeked down, and this is just a few strokes of brushes, meaning this brush is really good. So I'm going to keep on repeating the same thing I did. Spray some water to make sure my hair stays moisturized, apply the gel to my hair, and then use the hard brush to brush my hair down to make sure my hair stays down. Now you can see that my hair, the front part, it looked like it wasn't gonna sleek down easily, so I just grabbed a wide tooth comb, combed it out a little bit before brushing it. It makes it easier. So for the edge, I'm going to use Shine and Jam Silk Edges. I love this edge control, even though it doesn't stay for the whole day, but it works, okay? You just need to make sure that when you are applying it, your edges first are a little moisturized before you apply the gel, and you have to make sure when you use the brush to brush out your edges, brush it out in such a way you're brushing it towards your hair. And then when you finish, make sure you have some type of, you can use anything. You can use any silk scarf or the barber stuff that they use to lay down the edges. So you can use that, put it on the edges just to lay down your edges in your hair for a little bit whilst you're working on the extension that you will be using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this twisted up extension. I really love this hair extension. I've used it in my previous video, and you can see how I actually made the bun from the previous video. In this video, I just ended up using one. Initially, I wanted to use two, but I ended up just using one of it because I fluffed it out. So after getting the puff that I need, or the fluffed out that I need, I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the hair onto my hair. Now you see how natural this looks, and I haven't even fluffed it out more, but it looks so natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and now grab a piece of it just to go around my hair so that it matches my hair. My hair color looks slightly lighter, but that's okay. Next time I'm going to get, so you can see that this hair looks so natural. Even though my hair color looks slightly lighter than the hair itself, that's okay. Next time I'm just gonna get a different hair color, but I really love this hair. See how it looks so natural? It actually matches with our type 4, specifically 4B, 4C hair. So go ahead, hit the like button. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below if there are any other videos that you would like to see. Also, I have posted down in my description a voting link. I really need you guys to go vote for me to win this Mael Organics contest. Please help me win. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.